Hello, welcome back to Divi Living. My name is Tom and I've been using the WordPress theme Divi by Elegant Themes in my professional life for the last 5 and a bit years. Now today we're going to look at something relatively straightforward but super helpful, and that is how do we integrate Font Awesome into a Divi website. So let's go. So today we're going to need a handful of things to get Font Awesome working on your Divi website. So the first is the Font Awesome website, which is fontawesome.com. You'll also need your website open with access either to your header.php file in your child theme preferably, or if you want to do it from the WordPress dashboard, then access to the theme options for Divi. And then lastly you will need, if you haven't got a Font Awesome account, you will need access to an email address to set up a free account. So to get started, it is as simple as start for free here. You can get more with Pro, as this button suggests, so more paid for icons and color options. So I'm a Pro user and it is a useful tool. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. If you want to use a free account, then you would just click that start for free here and then come and create your first kit by adding in your email address. So I'm going to go log in and then we'll come back. So I'm now logged into Font Awesome and I'm just going to create a new kit. I'm going to call this Divi Living, if I could spell, Divi Living Test Site. Create and use this kit. And then at the top here, you can see there is this bit of script here. So if we copy that kit code, we can then head over to your website and head to the theme options. And once there, head over to integration, and we're looking for this one, add the code to the head of your blog. You can just paste that in and save. Now that means that we're now talking to Font Awesome. So what we need to do now is then figure out what icons we might want. So on this site here, I'm going to add a little icon just above this hi, how are you. Now you can add this anywhere. Next week I'll show you how to add icons into your menu items. But what I'm gonna do here, I've got all sorts of options here. So to make life easier for yourself, click on, you want to see the free options only, unless you have a Pro account, obviously. And then what do I want? I want to search for a hand, see what they've got. So here are my options for hand. I'm a little bit of a Star Trek fan, so let's go for the Spock hand. There we go. So what you need to copy to get this working, you see across here there is a variety of things you can do. If you can use Font Awesome on your desktop, so you could copy that and paste that into a word processor or Photoshop, something like that. But today we need the code, this I tag. So now I'm going to open up the Visual Builder and I'm going to add a block, the code block just here, and I'm going to paste that in. And you can see, although it's small, there is our Spock hand. So you can then style this as you need to in your style sheet, if you've got a style sheet, or using the custom CSS. So let's just test that out. So if we look quickly at what we've got here, we've got this I, which is a great way to identify stuff, and then we've also got this class of FAS. So I'm going to use that really quickly just to add a bit of, I'm going to save that, just to really quickly style the CSS so that it works well for us without too much effort. So if we've got I and the class is FAS, then I'm going to do font size 40 and I'm going to save that. There we go. So once saved, if we just view the home page, we should hopefully now see a slightly bigger Spock hand. There you go. Now you can style this as you want, put it into different places on the website, into code blocks. If you edit text blocks, you can actually add those in by switching to the text view and just play around with that. Next week I'll show you how to add some of these icons into your menu. So I hope you enjoyed that. I hope that is useful to you in your Divi website building going forwards. If this video has been useful to you, please share it, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, add a comment. I would love to hear your ideas for video tutorials around customizing Divi in your Divi websites going forward. So please drop those ideas into the comments, and I will hope to get something useful to you soon. But happy Divi website development. I hope you enjoy getting used to Divi 4.0 and all that has unleashed to us. So we'll speak again soon.